Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can see your Google Meet call history. In order to do so, here we are at meet.google.com and we're all logged in. What we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner, this settings icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And when we do, you're going to see here the option that says call history. Click on that and here you can see that you can export your history. We'll go ahead and do so. And then from here, we can access our log activity all the way down. We can select anything here that we don't want to export. So if you want to specifically export your Meet, probably the easiest way to do it is just to come up here to the top and say deselect all. And then if you scroll down, you will find the Google Meet section here. We're going to check that. And then we're going to come down here to the bottom, click on next step. And you can send the download link via email. You can add it to Drive, add it to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add it to Box. And you can export once, export every 2 months for 1 year. And you can choose the file type and size as well. And then you can create the export once you are done. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra to help you get started. And if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. You can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.